Check.
Flight controls, recheck neutral friction.
Check.
Twist grip, open auto cuff.
Check.
Alright, move on to InStart here. TOT confirm less than 150.
We got to bring it down.
Alright. You are clear to the right.
Alright, ready?
Yes, sir.
TOT, watch it. Come on. There she is, coming up. Engine oil pressure's on the go. TOT's coming up. Blades are going to go by 30. There's 25. Coming through 40. TOT still looks good. 50. 40 second.
Alright.
Master avionics is on.
Alright, engine oil pressure 5130 psi.
Check, looks good.
Engine idle speed.
Looks good.
Gen avionics.
Alright, check.
Technics on radio.
Check.
Clear coming on. RPM 9% check.
Check.
California lights out.
Check.
Instruments and green check.
Check.
Door secure, Mr. Equipment checked and stowed.
Check.
Control check, response check.
Check.
Exterior collision lights.
I got all about the drone in there.
Anti-ice.
Check.
And departure brief.
Alright, pick up, make a left pedal turn. We'll go to the end of the field and we'll just depart out towards the airport.
Alright. X-ray 110.8, 1084, 185, 188.
Alright, power check looks good. Alright, we'll just get through it pretty quick. Alright, go into radar altimeter. There's 70, 120. I got the poles, 170, we're good. Anderson traffic, helicopter 530, X-ray just departed a half a mile north of the field. We'll be midfield cross, then a left turn back to the east at 2000 Anderson traffic.
Go ahead.
Y'all want to check that fence line between I-20 and the wood line?
10-4, this is going to be at the 188, correct, near Publix.
CSS crew 488.
10-4, 1084.